Cleaning up.
Today we have a birthday party in the house. Now the party is finished, and the house is messy. There are bottles on the table. There is gift wrap on the floor. There are leftovers in the kitchen. Our mother says, "Clean up, please." I am picking up the bottles. My sister is putting the gift wrap in the dustbin. My brother is sweeping the floor with a broom. My father is emptying the dustbin. We are picking up the leftovers. "Pick up the bottles," says my mother. "Put away the gifts. Sweep the floor." We are cleaning together. The house is getting cleaner. The floor is clean now. The dustbin is full. Everything is in the right place. We feel happy in our clean house.